India Today TV, along with 70 other news channels, is a proud member of the News Broadcasters Association since 2007. We strictly follow the code of ethics and guidelines issued by NBSA. Beware of unregulated channels.
And here's another big story of the day. Farmers are on a warpath as they're set to hold a nationwide protest. This is against the farm reforms, the recently passed 3 farm bills in Parliament. At least, in fact, several farmer groups, and these are almost 30 farmer associations, they're coming together and have pledged to support the nationwide Bandh against the agriculture reforms. Yesterday, farmers across Punjab, across Uttar Pradesh as well as Haryana were seen intensifying their protests. The farmers, in fact, in Ferozpur have blocked railway tracks. These farmers fear that they will lose out on the minimum support price. And while there have been several assurances from the government, it's clearly fallen on deaf ears. The farmers have put out 4 demands to the government. Angry farmers will also hold, in fact, a jam at this point. They'll be holding a protest at many places, as well as rail rokos in several parts of the country, particularly in Baghpat and Muzaffarnagar in Uttar Pradesh. There is going to be an agitation against farm bills. You've also got opposition, in fact, coming together. The Congress, the AAP, Akali Dal, TMC, they've all come together to state that they are pledging their support to these farmers. The Modi government is already under fire with one of its oldest allies, the Akali Dal, aggressively opposing these bills. Akali MP Harsimrat Kaur Badal even resigned from the Modi government last week, citing that these bills are anti-farmer.
हमारा सब कुछ ही लूट जाएगा, हमको खत्म कर देगा, बड़ी-बड़ी कंपनियां जहां पर आ जाएंगी, हमारे पास रहना क्या है, हम तो बर्बाद हो जाएंगे। जिन्ना चिर ਇਹ ਆਰਡੀਨੈਂਸ ਵਾਪਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੈਣਗੇ ਉਨਾ ਚਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਹੀਂ ਪਰ ਬੈਠਾਂਗੇ।
ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੋੜ ਇਹ ਨਾਮ ਲਿਆਉਣ, ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਇੰਨੇ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਧਰਨਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਨੇ, ਇਹ ਜੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਸੰਦ ਉਹ ਆਰਡੀਨੈਂਸ ਤਾਂ ਬੈਠੇ ਨੇ, ਜੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਸੰਦ ਹੋਣੀ ਅਪਣਾ ਲੈਣਗੇ। ਇਹ ਕਿਉਂ ਜ਼ਬਰਦਸਤੀ ਕਿਉਂ ਲਿਆ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਆਰਡੀਨੈਂਸ? ਇਹ ਬਿੱਲ ਤਿੰਨੋਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਨਜ਼ੂਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੇ।
ਇਹ ਉਦੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਚੱਲੂਗਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਆਰਡੀਨੈਂਸ ਵਾਪਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ। ਪੂਰਾ ਨੌਜਵਾਨ ਨਾ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦਾ ਉੱਠ ਖੜਿਆ ਹੁਣ ਤੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਵਾਪਸ ਕਰਾ ਕੇ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ। ਆਰ-ਪਾਰ ਦੀ ਲੜਾਈ ਲੜ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ।
Let me take this across to Milind Sharma. She's joining us live from Ghazipur. Milind, good morning. We're going to be seeing nationwide protests today. Where you're standing in Ghazipur also, we understand that farmers will be coming together to hold an agitation. I'm going to toss it across to you for all the updates.
Well, Akshita, that's right. The farmers have called for a Bharat Bandh, and this relates to the 3 very controversial farm bills that were passed in Parliament. Of course, there have been many assurances that have been given by the government to the farmers that the MSP in no way will be affected by these regulations. However, the farmers, undeterred, are not convinced, and which is why right now I am at the Delhi-Noida border, which happens to be a very crucial point for the farmers' agitation, as many Kisan Sangharsh Sangatans have decided to do a chakka jam on borders of states. So whether it's the Delhi-Noida border, the Delhi-Ghazipur border from the UP side, as well as Delhi-Haryana border. And most impact of this is already being seen in Punjab, where the farmers are already doing rail rokos. There have been impacts on railway lines as well, and trains that are being run by the government. Their demand is simply that the bills be reconsidered. And remember that the opposition is also supporting these protests, especially if we talk about Delhi. The Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party has said that they will support these protests. So the massive plan to do Chakka Jam will also impact commuter traffic between these states from Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, as well as Uttar Pradesh. Back to you.
All right, Milind, we'll keep tracking the latest on that story. Thank you for joining us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.